Hi everybody, and I am here with my favorite best friend and a new little drone. Basically what we're going to do is I'm going to turn on the propellers. We've already had an unfortunate incident where I tried causing it to hover in this room, which was successful for all of about 5 seconds before it was blowing so much wind around that it was amongst the wind and caused some unfortunate accidents to the propellers. But luckily I have backup propellers. But anyway, we're just going to turn them on and then turn them off because it's too dangerous and too tight quarters in here to fly it.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, turning on the propellers. So here are the propellers.
Yeah.
If I raise this stick, it would slowly raise it. It would slowly raise, but then the propellers would be going so fast that it would blow too much air around here, and it would be good floating amongst the air, and it wouldn't be good for the drone. But that's it right there in a nutshell. Yeah, that's it.
It was crazy. It went really high up, and then it went flying, and then it went hovered over the bed, and then it was like
I'll land here.
And it was like, oh crap, and then
Luckily it didn't hit any walls. These are my backup propellers.
Yeah.
But I basically used the auto raise mode, and it raised. And then I tried auto lowering it, and that's when it it was floating amongst the air is blowing, and it was going to land on the bed. When I hit the button for it to land, the landing gear came down, and it slowly was coming down on the bed. But I ducked underneath the propellers, and I grabbed the drone and the propeller shut off. Thank God.
That was so cool.
And I set it down. Now to turn it off, I believe
There
do
you
that.
go.
And that, as they say, is that.
Was exciting. It's funny. Yeah. We're in a hotel room, so.
Okay.
Okay.